Robin and Chet here with Sea Lake Journeys.
Sea Lake Journeys.
Well, we're going to give you a sneak peek into what we have coming up for February. So stay tuned. Well, the first thing we have for you coming up in February is we are going on a cruise.
We are.
We are. We're going on a cruise and we're leaving in just a few days. So our first video that we're going to put out there for you is packing tips. So I'm going to give you a few packing tips and some tricks for packing for a cruise.
You know what a girl needs?
What does a girl need?
A girl needs some tips on how to pack. And you know what a guy needs?
No, what does a guy need?
A girl who knows how to pack.
That's right, because I can pack some stuff now.
That's true.
So that's the first video that we have coming out. Then we have a little bundle of videos that's coming out. So based on what a lot of people do, or a lot of people get for February, do you know what that is?
Candy on Valentine's Day?
No, not candy on Valentine's Day.
Food on a Super Bowl day?
No, not food on Super Bowl day. They
what else?
get back their tax returns.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
So that gives you money to go on a cruise.
Cruise, baby. Cruise.
So we have two video bundles coming up for you. And the first one is Cruising on a Budget Part 1 and then Cruising on a Budget Part 2.
Now, part 1 is going to help you determine your ship selection, your cabin selection, and your food and drink options that can help you save money.
Yes, and we know how to cruise on a budget. We've cruised on a budget for years. And then the second video, which is Cruising on a Budget Part 2, is all about savings, the best way you can go about saving, how to budget the cash that you're going to be taking on that ship with you, and how to budget for your onboard expenses.
Yep. And this is good stuff that you need to know, because the more money you save, the more you can cruise.
Yes. And then our videos that will be going between February and March are going to be about our trip on the
Independence of the Seas.
Yes. So we're going to be doing a tour of Perfect Day at Cococay.
Yep.
We are actually doing a balloon ride at Cococay. So we're going to be filming the balloon ride. And we're going to do a ship tour of the Independence of the Seas as well as our cabin tour. And remember, our cabin is fully handicap accessible.
And we're going to show you how handicap accessible not only the ship is, but Cococay as well.
Yes. Cococay has a lot of things for the handicap, and we're going to film those and give you our critique of those things. And we hope that you tune in to everything that we have coming for February and March. So remember, the first video coming out is tips and tricks on packing. And then Cruising on a Budget Part 1, Cruising on a Budget Part 2, and a multitude of videos about our trip on the Independence of the Seas to Nassau, Bahamas, and Cococay. So stay tuned.